What is up? Happy Bearded and we've got some beard mail from
Rockin D Bearded.
That's right. Alright, get it open. I've been wanting to try his stuff for a long time. I know he's a great guy. I see him on Instagram and stuff all the time. And I know he's also got these really cool
Josh,
grab bags right now.
You're grabbing two
Bags.
I think you will be very happy with your bag. Thanks again, Rock.
All right. Look at this sweet sticker.
Oh, it's a sweater! Can I put that on my
awesome.
helmet?
That's my sticker.
No, it's mine.
I think we got some Rockin D soap here. Ooh. And then this beautiful, beautiful bar of soap. Smells like amaretto.
Oh,
smells good.
Yeah. That's
Awesome. Some Rockin D soap. We got some Grandpa's
it's a cologne
front.
scent.
Some Grandpa's Front Porch.
Can I have the bag?
We got the argan oil, castor seed oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, and that EE oil. Nice. Oh yeah, that's got a really good scent. Good.
I know, it's like a cologne scent.
Let's take a look at the color.
I thought we had
oil.
like 20 more stuff. No.
Alright, and they'll put a little in hand in here. So, I mean, I would say it's fairly thick, but I know it's because the emu oil in there. Ooh, I really like that scent. Awesome.
Yeah, it smells like a cologne my dad would wear.
Cool. Rockin D Beard. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. And I can't wait to try out the soap and the Grandpa's Front Porch with the emu oil. And I'll be back in here in a couple weeks to let you guys know what I think. But until then, stay baked and stay bearded.
Hit the notification bell if you're new. Hit subscribe. And that's all we have to say for this video.
Have a good day.